you are here from my other channel, thank you for coming over here. I appreciate you guys. If you are finding me for the first time, welcome to YouTube. Welcome, you guys. Welcome to the first episode of TJ's Happy Place. I am TJ, and this is my new channel. This is actually the first video. I just wanted to do a short introduction. So today I am shopping at HomeGoods with my sister. I've been looking for some round placemats, but I don't like these too much. So my sister is doing a lot of baking, so that's why we're in the baking aisle. She's getting her little baking cups for her cupcakes. They have a lot of cute baking cups that I hadn't seen before. Yeah, these are actually pretty neat. I like this blanket so much I had to look at it twice. It's just crazy looking at blankets when it's 85 degrees outside.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew.
The round lamps are pretty interesting. This one, it's okay. I think I like the white bulb better than the other one.
I
But
wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
okay, now this, I like the tulips, but the vase is just ugly to me, so that could stay there.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Look at that. It says happy place on that pillow. I didn't even realize that. But anyway, these chairs look nice and sturdy. That's why I'm looking at these. I'm always looking for some nice sturdy chairs for my balcony area. So what do you guys think about this plant here? Does it look fake to you? I had to keep looking at it because it's like, I don't know, they're still cute to me. All right, you guys, so this is the point where I do my process of elimination. I don't know if you guys are like me, but sometimes I put things in my basket that I'm not sure about, and once I get to this point of HomeGoods, it's time for the process of elimination. So I take my stuff out the cart and put it right in this area, and then keep what I'm gonna keep. So anyway, I got this nice little cup here. It says be kind, and it's like a little honeycomb cup. You know I love my tea, so I got that. I got some kitchen shears. I've been needing these. Well, actually I have some, but they started sticking together and they became too hard to use, so I needed to get some more. I got this little avocado pod. I got this avocado oil. I had run out of avocado oil, and it comes with this nice little spout. And then I just got myself some nice bright flowers. I might put these in my bedroom or in the office, I'm not sure. I just like to look at bright colors. Yellow makes me happy. Bright yellow. These were $12.99. Anyway, I'll straighten those out in a while, but I like them. I'll hook them up. So after a day full of shopping at HomeGoods, I decided to make some Naan flatbread pizzas. I didn't mention to you guys that my sister and I went to 2 HomeGoods, 1 TJ Maxx, and 1 Marshall's in one day. Boy, I was tired. So I like to make these Naan flatbread pizzas because they're quick, easy, inexpensive. So these are an easy go-to. If you haven't tried these, make sure you try these. Very good. And the dough is lighter than regular pizza dough, so you can cut back on some fat or calories, whatever. Make sure you guys stay tuned for future videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you all.